class 4. In today's video we will do the book exercise of lesson 5, salted crabs. And here we go. First we have given the true and false. So just see, John liked animals. Yes, because he had the pets, so it's true. John was known for his laziness. True. In Mickey's shops, crabs were crawling on the floor. No, they were in the basket. John's house was in the middle of the lane. No, it was at the last. The crabs crawled up to John's house. No, they were freed and they ran away. So, only first and second are true, rest all are false. Now, question answer I had discussed in the another video. I had already uploaded on my channel, English Bulk. Children, you can like that video and subscribe, share it also. Now, we're moving to the next page, and that's page 54. So, we have to find out the synonyms of the words, highlighted words. Now, what are synonyms? Synonyms are the words that has the same meaning. Two words, two or more than two words that have the same meaning. Words that have the same meaning are synonyms. And that has an opposite meaning, they are antonyms. So, we have to talk about synonyms only. Now, just see, we have given the words. The lost child looked terrified and extremely blank is there. So, terrified, dar jana. Synonym, frightened. The confused, we have to find out the synonym of confused from that. Okay, and I had to find out. Confused man gave us a puzzled look. The beautiful girl was wearing gorgeous dress. Now, synonym of beautiful, gorgeous. This picnic spot is quiet and peaceful. Quiet and peaceful, synonyms. Mother Teresa was a very kind and thoughtful person. I had a very bad I dreamed that had a terrible monster. Now here bad we can also use terrible as a synonym of it. He is ill-tempered because he is often in an angry mood. Angry, गुस्सा करने वाला, ill-tempered जिसको जल्दी गुस्सा आता है. Okay. Keep all the glasses and breakable things in the box labeled fragile. Fragile मतलब जो बहुत कमज़ोर होती है चीज़ें ना वो. तो breakable जो जल्दी टूट जाती है. So it is synonym. Now moving to the next exercise. Just see, these are related to the pronunciation. Okay. And I had already done that. Here you have given how we would pronounce the word, such like the verbs that end with C, CH, F and F, just like look. Look जो verb था, जब हम इसको सिर्फ ऐसे ही देखते हैं, look, ये K से end होता है ना, तो जो K से end होती है उनके बाद में जब हम ED लगा देते हैं तो वो T की तरह pronounce होते हैं. So we just say look it. Okay, and the words that end with these words, just like grab, it ends with D. So we just doubled that and no, and we just ED is pronounced as D only. And the words ending in T, D, ED, sounded, pronounced as sounded. Okay. So I had made the pronunciation according to it. You can copy it. Pause the video and do that. Next we have a dictionary skill given to us, and these all are the synonym of laugh, smile. Okay, हंसना. सब सारे words हैं, सबका मतलब है हंसना. Okay, chuckle, to laugh quietly, है ना, शांति से थोड़ा सा हंसना. Giggle, to laugh silly, ऐसे अजीब से मुंह बना बना के हंसना. Grin, to smile, थोड़ा सा smile करना. Laugh, pleasure loudly, जोर जोर से हंसना, laughing हो गया. Smile, it's only a facial expression. Okay. Smirk, please and smile, कोई बहुत प्यारी सी smile करते हैं तो उस word होता है उसके लिए smirk. So all these words, chuckle, giggle, grin, laugh, smile, smirk, they all are the synonym of laugh. Now we're moving to the next exercise. Okay, children, I had already uploaded a video. In that in detail I had explained about the articles, and this is the exercise regarding the articles. Would you like to keep another pet? I was thinking of getting you an owl. Now why have I used an here? Because it's a vowel sound. John, really mother, I was thinking I already have a dog and a rooster. I would love to keep an anteater and a goldfish. Anteater is an animal that eats ants. बड़ी सी नाक होती है उसकी, लंबी सी. ओके, ए यहाँ पे क्यों आया? क्योंकि okay, now turning to the next page, we have the exercise given. Okay, here we have the use of the. Okay, the is used, example, with a specific noun. Okay, John sailed the boat on the river. It is specific river. Okay, and it's that boat that belongs to John. Ordinal numbers, the first, the last house, इन सब के पहले द आता है. Superlatives degree, est जहाँ पे आ जाता है, या most word जिनके साथ में आता है ना adjectives के साथ, they belongs to superlative degree. We use the with them. Names of unique things, the sky, the sun. No. Okay. Okay, here we have the articles incorrectly used. सही नहीं है यहाँ पे आर्टिकल्स. ठीक है, हमें इनको करेक्ट करना है. आई नो अ मैन स्टैंडिंग देयर. नाउ इट इज़ द स्पेसिफिक noun because the man that's standing there, so here the is correct. A is wrong. Vidya planted a vegetables today. Vegetables, the vegetables. He will appear a second exam tomorrow. Now we just ये नंबर ordinal number है ना, इसलिए यहाँ पे A आएगा. Ordinal, this is a tallest. Now we have superlative degree tallest, so the is there. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. We used the with the heavenly bodies. The Indian Prime Minister will address the country today. Okay, ये specific country है, Prime Minister भी specific है, इसलिए the आएगा. तो यहाँ सब में the ही आएगा. Okay. Now moving to the next page, and that's page 57. Rewrite these by filling missing article. Now article is missing in these exercise. What a brilliant idea it was. Moon and stars brighten up the sky. Okay. Island is surrounded by water on all sides. An island is surrounded. Okay, and write the remaining sentence as it is. An island should be there. We can also say the island, but an is much correct. Please board train, for it is time to leave. Please board the train. Who was the eighth? Who was the eighth president of India? Now children, do you know where we just say the and where we said the? When we have the noun which starts with the vowel sound, then we speak it the. And when we have the noun that started with the consonant sound, then we say the. The train, the eighth. We went to see the cave paintings. Okay, तो the कहाँ बोलते हैं, the कहाँ बोलते हैं? जैसे the elephant. Okay, the snake. Remember? Now turning to the next exercise, it's very nice. We have given some of the animals and they're given some of the features that belongs to them, and they are birds flutter through the air, rabbits run and skip out, squirrels. Okay, squirrels क्या करती है? Squirrel, this is a squirrel. The squirrels race up and down branches of the tree. Fourth, insects make humming sound. Humming sound करते हैं ऐसे. ये जब हम रात को सुनते हैं ना, हमें आवाज़ आती है कीड़ों की, कॉकरोचेस की, उसको कहते हैं हमिंग साउंड. मे फ्लाइज पानी के अंदर रहती है, थोड़ा सा बाहर निकलती है, फिर अंदर चली जाती है. सो राइज एंड डिप. फ्रॉक्स कॉल आउट टू फ्रेंड्स विद अ क्रैकी साउंड. फ्रॉक की क्रैकी साउंड होती है ना, फ्रॉक की आवाज़. आपको आती है फ्रॉक की आवाज़ निकालनी? चलो बोलो. ओके. स्नेक्स क्रीप अलॉन्ग क्वाइटली. स्नेक जो है ना ऐसे रेंग कर चलता है ना, ऐसे 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 ऐसे, इसको कहते हैं क्रीपिंग. सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स इनफ फॉर द एक्सरसाइज. यू कैन pause the video, and in my next video I will post the story of writing section. Have a nice day.